Cucumbers serve as a healthy skin treatment for both topical and internal use. They are rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish the body. Mostly made of water, cucumber hydrates the skin while also containing anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties. Cucumbers also have the same pH as your skin, creating a balance that may keep acne at bay. There is little scientific evidence that links cucumber juice to acne treatment, specifically, but it probably won't hurt to give it a try. Cucumber can be directly applied to the skin and added to your diet. Use cucumber on its own or mix it with other acne-fighting ingredients for added benefits. There are many things that can be mixed with cucumber juice, so you can be creative about creating a cleanser. Test out some of the recipes below to see which combinations work best for you. Making topical treatments. 1. Use cucumber slices. Take a fresh cucumber from the refrigerator. Cut off the skin. Slice the cucumber into thin slices. Put the slices on the affected area. Let the juices sink into your skin for 20 minutes. Rinse your skin and repeat as desired. 2. Use pure cucumber juice. Grate or crush one small cucumber. Use a cotton ball to apply the juice directly to your skin. Leave for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse. 3. Make a face toner. You'll need cucumbers, water, and witch hazel or vodka. Juice the cucumber or blend it and then use a strainer to separate the juice from the solids. Mix the ingredients and store in the refrigerator. Use a cotton ball to apply the toner after washing and drying your face. 1/4 cups peeled cucumbers, 2 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoons witch hazel or vodka. 4. Make a cucumber and yogurt facial mask. Yogurt contains acne-fighting germs and helps reduce dark spots on the skin. It is also said to moisturize and soften the skin without clogging pores. However, there are no clear scientific studies that link topical yogurt to acne treatment. Blend the yogurt and cucumber into a paste. Wash your face with warm water. Apply the mask for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse your face with warm water and then cold water. 1/2 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. 5. Make a honey-oatmeal mask. Oatmeal will exfoliate your skin and remove excess dirt and oils from the surface. Honey has antibacterial properties. 7. Such properties may help fight acne-causing bacteria, although medical studies are lacking in this area. Blend the cucumber until it has a paste-like consistency. Mix in the honey and the oatmeal. Gently massage the mask into your face. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. 1/2 cucumber, 1 tablespoon ground oatmeal, 1 tablespoon honey. 6. Make a lemon juice and rosewater rinse. Mix equal parts lemon juice, rosewater, and cucumber juice. Apply to the skin and leave it on for a few minutes. Rinse your face and pat dry. Rosewater as desired, lemon juice as desired, cucumber juice as desired. 7. Make an apple and baking soda mask. Try this thick mask 2 or 3 times a week for acne. Mix the baking soda in warm water to form a paste. Add the mashed apple, cucumber, and honey. Leave in the refrigerator for 1 hour before applying to your skin. Leave it on the skin for 10 to 20 minutes before rinsing. 1 cucumber, mashed, 1 apple, mashed, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons water. This mask contains baking soda, which serves to exfoliate and to balance the pH of the skin. Test the mask on a small patch of skin before proceeding, as baking soda does not work well with all types of acne. 8. Make a mask with mint and tomato. This mask acts a gentle exfoliant while promoting refreshed and glowing skin. Peel and chop the cucumber. Blend the cucumber, tomato, and mint leaves. Add the gram flour until a paste is formed. Apply the mask to your face and leave it for 20 minutes. Rinse with water. 1/2 cup cucumber, 1 tomato, chopped 1/2 cup mint leaves, green gram flour as needed. 9. Make an aloe vera mask. Aloe vera is excellent for the skin. It removes bacteria while repairing damaged skin cells. This can both prevent acne and fade acne scars. Tea tree oil has also been known to be useful in the treatment of acne. Remove the skin of the aloe vera leaf to use only the gel. Mix the gel with equal parts cucumber juice. Add a few drops of tea tree oil. Apply the mix to your acne for 20 minutes. Massage another layer of the mask into your skin and rise. Repeat daily to treat acne. 1 medium-sized aloe vera leaf, 1 cucumber, juiced or mashed, tea tree oil, a few drops. 10. Make a mask for acne on the back. You'll need to extract the cucumber and onion juice first. Next, add the cooked oatmeal or fenugreek seed to the mix. Apply this on the back for 30 to 40 minutes before rinsing. 1 cucumber, 2 onions, 1 tablespoon cooked oatmeal or fenugreek seeds.